Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the RecipeBox mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a reliable choice for managing recipes, planning meals, and handling grocery lists on your phone. RecipeBox is a free mobile app available on iOS and Android that helps users save and organize recipes from websites, social media, or manual entry. It removes clutter from web pages, showing only the ingredients and directions for each recipe. Recipes can be organized into collections based on cuisine, occasion, or dietary needs, and users can search by ingredient to quickly find what they're looking for. The app also includes a weekly meal planner and generates smart grocery lists that are grouped by aisle. These lists can be sent directly to grocery partners like Instacart, Walmart, and Amazon Fresh. RecipeBox also allows access to over 2 million shared community recipes and syncs your personal recipe collection across devices. On the positive side, users appreciate the clean interface, ad-free recipe viewing, and easy importing from almost any source. The app is especially useful for busy home cooks who want to plan meals efficiently and shop faster with pre-organized lists. However, there are a few drawbacks. After major updates, some users report bugs like missing images, broken search functions, or syncing issues. Performance can slow down during long sessions, and the battery usage may increase. While the core app is free, many advanced features such as extended planning tools require in-app purchases or subscriptions, which some users feel are overpriced for what's included. RecipeBox is a helpful option for anyone looking to simplify their cooking process, but be aware of occasional bugs and paid upgrades if you want full access to its features. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.